One more, Kate. Do a big one. Oh, bless you.
Can you sneeze? Oh, funny.
I don't think a couch has ever seen so much action and
Are you
entertainment.
okay? You guys sneeze? You gonna be okay? Well, we should send it to Terrell. I'm gonna kick out of it.
Put it up on you.
You're funny, babe.
She gets a little, but I don't think she's strong enough to push that away. You do nothing.
No, you can. Hopefully, we're not going to document her falling.
Right?
For the insurance claim.
Careful.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Kate, can you look at Jim and smile?
Kate, what are you doing? What's going on over there?